Hey guys, this is the Trezor hardware wallet for cryptocurrencies. So the reason you'd probably want one of these is when you buy something like Bitcoin or Litecoin or any other of those coins out there, you normally buy it and it comes onto an exchange. However, they keep all your private keys, which is basically your Bitcoin. And so if that exchange goes out of business or something happens to it, then you're not really in control of your keys. So a good option is to have one of these hardware wallets. So you have it offline on your person. So now, this one is the Trezor hardware wallet. It's got a USB plug, and you can transfer your Bitcoin to it via the app and then keep it in here nice and safe. Just looking at the packaging, if it looks like this, don't open it, contact the support. They have obviously put some tamper-proof seals on it on purpose, just to make sure people don't go in and alter it before, in between the factory and when you get it. So it's popping it open here. It comes in shrink wrap packaging, and then it's got two seals on the top and the bottom. Alrighty. Let's get this out of the way. So here we have it. In the package, we have the actual device. We'll set that aside for a moment. We get the USB cable, just a standard short one there. A whole bunch of stickers and bling. And then we get the 24-letter recovery setup booklet. Now this is quite important in case your Trezor ever gets lost, stolen, or you don't have, or it's broken, don't have access to it. When you set up on the actual device here, there we go. There's a little screen on there. When you're setting it up, the words will come up on the screen to have. It's called the recovery seed. You'd write down 24 words that come up on the screen. So if you ever lose it, you use those words to recover. So, and then on the actual device, there's two buttons here. For any transactions, you have to confirm, pressing these buttons and holding them down, just so there's a bit of security there. And also, if you want to access the device, you have to type in a PIN number using these keys as well. So it's a pretty small device, handy. And I think you get a bit of extra warranty information and user manual. So when you plug it in, you go straight to the website. It will automatically remove anything which is on here for security and download this firmware. So thanks guys, this has been an unboxing of the Trezor Bitcoin wallet.
What's up YouTube, and welcome to Crypto Finder TV from the editors and analysts of Finder.com, where we're going to help you change your life and make better financial decisions. I'm Fred Chibesta, co-founder of Finder, and I'm inviting you to join me on Crypto Finder TV right now. Come and subscribe, where we're going to teach you more about cryptocurrency and have a lot of fun along the way. Subscribe for daily videos and live streams where you can learn about technical analysis and tutorials. What is actually going on right now? Tell us. What's everyone saying? What's the sentiment you're getting from your channels? What is the buy zone? Wow, look at Tron. Breaking news that actually affects coin prices. Sentiment and price predictions. Blockchain and ICO developments. Plus, special guests, executives, and real-world traders that give you actionable insights without all the BS and blah, blah, blah around cryptocurrency. Subscribe! Do it right now! Having genuine fun. Subscribe!